Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert your Google Forms to your Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in to your Google Forms, and you can achieve that by going to your Google Chrome browser and then typing in Google Forms and get signed in. Alright, having done that, the next thing you want to do is pick the particular Google form as you can see on my screen that I want to work with to ensure that we convert our Google Forms to Google Sheets. So I'll pick this particular form and it will open up. So in a few minutes, the next thing you want to do is head over to the top over here where you have questions, responses, and settings, and then head over to responses. This is where you would convert your Google form information to a spreadsheet. Now, these are all the information I have from the response I got from this particular Google form. So I'll head over to this part where there is a green icon, view in sheet. So I'll just click on this and then it will take me to the next page. So my information from my Google form has reflected on my Google sheet. So if I go back to my Google form and make any corrections to this form, all right, you can either click on view in sheet or just click here and then just click here and then it will take you straight up to your Google Sheet. So this is what it means to convert your Google Forms to Google Sheet. Converting your Google Forms responses to Google Sheet is important because it makes your data easier to manage, analyze, and use to help for easier data analysis, better collaborations, and anything you want to do with your data. So if you want to see and be sure that this information is reflected to your Google Sheet, just head over to your Google Sheet, and as you can see, it's already reflected over here. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to convert your Google form information to Google Sheet. Until next time, bye for now.